This is the Yamaha Drive and G29 golf cart rear seat kit in black. The cushions are also available in a stone color. This kit has a flip seat function, a built-in cargo bed, and includes a free rear safety grab bar. The seat bolts to the back of your cart easily, fastened by the included brackets. This seat kit features a tough and easy to clean black powder coated diamond plate footrest and marine grade vinyl upholstered backrest and lower seat cushion for long lasting comfort, style, durability, and ultimate UV fading protection. The included rear safety grab bar is made of durable steel and will keep your passengers safe and comfortable when riding along on the back of your cart. The rear seat quickly folds up and down to double as a cargo bed that is incredibly strong and easy to use. With a diamond plate no-slip finish, this cargo bed makes it easy to haul around coolers and other heavy items. Also available with this rear seat as an add-on item are rear seat armrest cup holders. These armrests provide additional comfort for your riders and make carrying extra drinks a breeze. They are available in multiple colors. Get your Steeleng rear seat kit today and make hauling extra passengers or cargo extra easy.